everybody, I'm up early today. I got to drop my truck off before I go to work. I'm heading back to where I got my 2-inch front level done. The alignment feels a little bit off. I'm going to show you the wheel in a second, but I feel like for a fact when I'm driving straight, my wheel is showing about 2 minutes after 12 if it was a clock, and I feel it kind of wants to wander a little bit to the one side. So anyways, I gave them a call, made an appointment, gonna drop it off. They're gonna fix that up for me today, but I thought I'd just make a quick update video for you. So I don't know how well this really shows, but okay, now I'm in a left-hand turn and I'm barely having to put the wheel just a little more past straight. I'm coming up on a straightaway here, and you'll see that I got the wheel slightly to the right in order to maintain straight, which is probably really nothing, but I'm kind of picky that way. So it's been a couple of weeks since I brought the truck to go get aligned for the second time after my 2-inch level. And I just wanted to make this video to let everyone know that it's a good idea to keep an eye on your alignment, especially after having some work done. Because if I would have just kept driving around, eventually it would have wore out one of my tires weird, because there was an issue. Apparently there was a toe problem on the left side. So they fixed it, no charge. I appreciate their service. If you ever get any front end work done, I highly recommend that you keep an eye on your wheel, and maybe, in a safe area, kind of let go a little bit and see if it drifts anyway. And if it does, bring it back. And any good alignment shop is going to remedy the problem and not charge you. They were happy to help. So I thought I'd make this video to let everybody know how it all turned out. I know it's a short video, it's not my normal stuff, but I promised in other videos that I'm going to keep everyone in the loop with my ownership experience, all my issues, and this was one of them. So I thought I would let everyone know what happened. So I'm going to give you a quick view of the front wheel and show you how it's dead on now, and I hope it stays that way. If anyone has ever had any issues with your front end, or in their F-150 specifically, put them in the comments below and let me know how it was resolved and what the issue was. And I hope nobody wore out a good set of tires, because the BF Goodrich tires I have, I think I spent $1,600 on the set. It's a bit of a bumpy road, so my camera keeps moving. Anyways, yeah, I would have hated to prematurely worn out a set of $1,600 tires. So anyways, I'll keep an eye on it, and if it changes again, I'll be bringing it back. But I guess I'll end with showing the wheel. So before I show the end, or show the straight steering wheel, if you haven't already subscribed, please do. It really helps me out. And if you haven't figured it out already, this channel is all about my Ford F-150 ownership experience, all the mods, all the upgrades, all the maintenance, all the off-roading I have that I have done. There's not much, but check it out. Yeah, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Help me out in the algorithm, and I'll catch you in the next video.